Hello everyone, today we are going to start a new topic, that is nature of root. We know that a quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, and root of this quadratic equation given as x equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and this formula is known as quadratic formula. In this quadratic formula, there are three conditions. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, this is the first condition. Second condition is b square minus 4ac equal to 0. And third is b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Now we take first condition, that is b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, the root of this quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 are given as x equal to minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and second root is x equal to minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, we get two distinct real roots, that is b minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and second is minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. These two roots are different and real roots. And second condition is if b square minus 4ac equal to 0. If b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then the root of given quadratic equation given as x equal to minus b plus 0 upon 2a and minus b minus 0 upon 2a, because square root of 0, it is if we take b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then square root of b square minus 4ac is also 0. Therefore, the root of given quadratic equation given as x equal to minus b plus 0 upon 2a and minus b minus 0 upon 2a, or we can say x equal to minus b upon 2a and minus b upon 2a. Here we saw that the roots of quadratic equation in this condition are same. That's why we can say that quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 has two equal root in this case. Now we take third case. Third case is b squared minus 4ac is less than 0. If we take b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, then there is no real number whose square is b square minus 4ac. किसी भी रियल नंबर का जो स्क्वायर है वो वी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac पॉसिबल नहीं है, बिकॉज हियर वी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac इज नेगेटिव, और किसी भी रियल नंबर का स्क्वायर रूट नेगेटिव नहीं होता है. दैट्स वाई वी कैन से देयर इज नो रियल रूट ऑफ quadratic equation in this case. Or we can say there is no real root of quadratic equation equation in this case. Since b square minus 4ac determine whether the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 has real roots or not. That's why b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant of this quadratic equation. Since b square minus 4ac determine whether the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 has real root or not. Therefore, b squared minus 4ac is called the discriminant of this quadratic equation. Therefore, b square minus 4ac is the discriminant. So we can say a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 has first two distinct real root. Two distinct real root if b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0. Second, two equal real roots if b squared minus 4ac equal to 0. Third, no real roots if b squared minus 4ac equal to 0. Now we take an example for understanding this concept. Find the discriminant of the quadratic equation quadratic equation 2x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0 and hence find the nature of its roots. The quadratic equation is The quadratic equation is 2x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. In this quadratic equation, a equal to coefficient of x square, that is 2, b is coefficient of x, that is -4, and c is constant term, that is 3. And the discriminant, we know that the discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. Now we put the value of abc in this formula. B is minus 4 square minus 4, A is 2 and C is 3. By putting the value we get square of minus 4 is 16, minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, and 16 minus 24 is minus 8. Minus 8 is less than 0. Minus 8 is less than 0, and we know that this the there is no real number that square is -8. ऐसा कोई भी रियल नंबर नहीं है जिसका स्क्वायर की -8 हो, because here -8 is in, if we put this value of in quadratic formula, we get square root of -8. If we square this term, we get -8, and we know that there is no number whose square will be -8. That's why, so given equation has no real roots. The given equation no real root.